Carla from Vintage Hip Decor, and we're in my living room to discuss the impact that the size of an area rug can have on a space. Area rugs have the power to make a space feel bigger and more cohesive, and I'm going to show you exactly how. First, let's take a look at the rug I had in here before I upgraded to the size that was correct for my space. As you can see, this 5x8 area rug is not big enough. It does not look awful, but it could look better, and it could work together with this space to make it feel bigger. Now let's swap it out and bring in the new one to show you just what an impact the size can make. As you can see, this new rug makes a big difference and spans the entire space instead of just sitting right in the middle. Now that this rug is big enough and spans under all of the furniture, it makes everything more cohesive and connected. And there aren't any like harsh edges of the rug cutting up your sight lines. It all just sinks under the furniture and creates this illusion that the space is much bigger than it is. If you don't know what size area rug that you need, a good rule of thumb is to have at least the front feet of all of your furniture touching the rug. So just measure a little bit past that and it'll help you figure out what size rug you should be looking for. And a little bonus tip, if you don't love the floors in your home, an area rug is great to help kind of cover that up. Even if you have carpeting, you could layer an area rug over top of that and it'll help conceal it. If you struggle with the feeling that the things in your home don't go together, decorating with a color palette can really make a huge difference. This area rug upgrade not only had an impact on the size of my space, but it also made it feel a lot brighter and more cohesive with the rest of my home. My personal color palette happens to be black and white and cream, which is also what I ended up putting on today, but that was not planned. My personal color palette, I also like to decorate with like brown leather and dark wood tones and little accents of brass. And then I like to bring in color through artwork and plants. And then I have a beautiful accent color of this rich dark emerald green that I love to bring in. My original rug did not go with this color palette, so swapping out this rug for something more neutral finally made this space feel like it blended with the rest of the style of my home. Now it feels more intentional and unified. I also updated the rug in our upstairs hallway, and I'm super thrilled with the fun pattern and texture that it brings to the space. I hope that this helped you get a new perspective on the impact that area rugs can make on a space and inspired you to look at your home in a new light. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.